Are you ready to turn artificial intelligence into a real income stream? In this video, we'll show you how to make money using Google Veo 3, the game-changing AI tool that generates ultra-realistic videos from simple text prompts. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, or just curious about AI, this guide will walk you through how to earn with Veo step by step. Number 1. What is Google Veo 3? Google Veo 3 is the latest AI video generation tool introduced by Google. It creates realistic videos with native audio. That means your characters can speak, the wind can blow, and music can play, all without you recording anything. Think of it like ChatGPT, but for video. This opens up a whole new world for content creators to produce stunning visual content with minimal effort. Number 2. Monetize on YouTube. Let's start with the most popular way to earn. YouTube. You can use Veo to create videos in any niche: motivational content, AI stories, business tips, product reviews, and more. Once you start uploading consistently, aim to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. To do that, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months or 10 million views on shorts within 90 days. Once approved, you'll earn money through ads shown on your videos, YouTube Premium revenue, super chats and stickers during live streams, and channel memberships. And don't forget, short-form content made with Veo can also earn through the YouTube Shorts Fund. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Next up is affiliate marketing. Let's say you're creating videos about tech or gadgets using Veo. You can promote products in your video description with affiliate links. Every time someone clicks and buys through your link, you earn a commission. This is especially powerful when combined with high-quality visuals created in Veo. Some top affiliate platforms include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, ShareASale, and Digistore24. Even if you have a small audience, affiliate links can bring passive income with every upload. Number 4. Paid sponsorships. Once your content gains traction, brands will want in. You can charge companies to feature their product in your videos, or even create full sponsored content. Because Veo produces cinematic videos with realistic audio, you can easily create high-quality ads without hiring actors or filming on location. Even small creators can charge $50 to $500 per sponsored segment, depending on niche and audience size. As you grow, this becomes one of the most lucrative income streams. Number 5. Sell your services. If you don't want to start your own channel, no problem. You can offer Veo video creation services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and People Per Hour. Clients may pay you to generate product videos, explainer animations, or promotional reels. You set your rates. Many freelancers earn $50 to $200 per video, especially for high-quality 30 to 60-second clips. To stand out, create a few demo videos using Veo and list them in your portfolio. Number 6. Monetize your website. If you run a blog or website, you can use Google AdSense for video to earn ad revenue directly. Just embed your Veo-generated videos into your site and run video ads. Requirements include having 40% or more video content and at least 2 million impressions per month. This approach works best for high-traffic websites focused on tutorials, product reviews, or online courses. Number 7. Quick tips for success. Here are some final tips to maximize your income with Veo. Pick a profitable niche. Finance, tech, education, and health are top earners. Be consistent. Upload regularly to grow faster. Use SEO. Optimize titles, descriptions, and thumbnails for more views. Promote on social media. Share your videos on TikTok, Instagram, or Reddit for faster reach. And remember, great content will always win. Use Veo as a tool, but make sure your message delivers value. So, can you make money with Google Veo 3? Absolutely. Whether you're building a YouTube channel, promoting products, or offering freelance services, Veo gives you the power to create fast, stunning content that earns. If this video helped you, consider liking and subscribing for more AI money-making guides. Thanks for watching and happy creating.